It is no surprise to many, but New York City is a coastal city. And as a coastal city, New York is at the forefront of climate change. We take sea level rise very seriously. The predictions are daunting. We expect a 1 to 2 foot rise by 2050 and 2 to 4 feet by 2100. And New York City's parks and public spaces are often our first line of defense against severe storms, not only on our shores and beaches, but deep within the boroughs and the neighborhoods as well. Just to put it in context of what this means by a coastal city, in New York we have close to 520 miles of our city is on the coastline. And when you look at that 520 miles, literally 155 miles of that coastline is within a parkland. You're now looking at a picture of Brooklyn Bridge Park. The one preceding that was Riverside South on the Hudson River. And we're now beginning to understand exactly the threat we face, that as we, in the next slide that you'll see, we have 14 miles of public beaches. So while parks are intended for passive and active recreation, it's becoming apparently clear with the threat of climate change that our parks and coastline are in fact our first line of defense. Over the next 10 years, we're going to have an integrated flood protection system on the east side of Manhattan, which I had spoke about earlier, an armored levee of stormwater management on the east shore of Staten Island in partnership with the Army Corps, investments on the Rockaway Peninsula, which you saw a picture of, and as well as Jamaica Bay. And then there are nature-based measures in Jamaica Bay that we're trying to put in place so we can see how our natural environment can also protect us. If you want to find out more about this report, you can go to nyc.gov/1NYC.